We wait all year for days like this. Just simply a beautiful spring day.
So nice. I hope it sticks around, but I know that's just not how spring works, George. When's the rain coming?
Does not work that way. Rain's holding off until tomorrow night, guys. But we also have a risk that it could be a little bit on the stronger side.
Oh.
But we'll be watching for that, of course, over the next 24 hours. Yes, an extension of our beautiful weekend, but the 13 weather ball is blue. We have some slightly cooler but still warm weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Lots of sunshine today. If you noticed for a while on the southwestern horizon, there were a few high clouds, but basically it's been a blue, clear sky day again here in West Michigan. That makes, what, 3 or 4 in a row, and temperatures have responded nicely. It's as warm as 70 here in Grand Rapids, mid-70s around Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. A little bit cooler as you might expect along the lakeshore with that onshore breeze with 40-degree temperatures. So today, not quite as warm as that Sunday, generally in the about 3 to 6 degrees cooler than yesterday. Again, clear skies across the area, just a few transparent high clouds to the south and west. Active weather expected in northern Virginia and portions of Maryland, and out here in portions of South Dakota. Big storm out there. That's the one that's going to provide us with a chance of some showers and storms here. That will be late tomorrow night into Wednesday. That's when our highest risk for severe weather will occur here on Wednesday from Grand Rapids off to the south, and that is a marginal risk, 1 out of 4. Tonight's risk is back to the west, out in portions of Nebraska and Kansas, and then of course that migrates further to the east during the day tomorrow before it finally moves in our area with that slight risk on Wednesday. As far as the active weather, we're going to see an increase to the high clouds here tonight, and it'll be dry tomorrow, so no worries if you need to get out and do some yard work or whatever. But this big storm system is going to provide some showers and storms overnight. Tuesday night into Wednesday, just about everyone will see some rain before it finally comes to an end. Thursday will be dry during the day, but some afternoon and evening showers are certainly expected to move through. So a couple of rounds of rain here this week, but a nice Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up with plenty of sunshine from time to time, and it will be dry, but it definitely will be cooler. In terms of rainfall, nothing between now and on Tuesday night. Most of the rain will come Tuesday night into Wednesday. About 2/3 of an inch of rain expected here, and then a little bit more, maybe another 1/1500ths. All of that will be overnight Thursday night. As far as our weather then, for here coming up tomorrow, or tonight I should say, skies will be clear early and then becoming mostly cloudy, upper 30s to mid-40s from Muskegon, Holland southward. Northern areas will drop down into the mid to upper 30s, 40 though in Fremont and in Greenville, low 40s to mid-40s here in the greater Grand Rapids area. 13 on your side forecast. 67 tomorrow, a little bit cooler than today, and also Wednesday the same with that marginal risk highlighted there. An overnight shower on Thursday night leading up to a cooler weekend with highs only around 50 to the mid-50s. And then next week, more seasonable, if not a little bit warmer, right around 60 Monday and Tuesday with an afternoon shower next Tuesday, and mid-60s with sunshine the following Wednesday and Thursday.
Really nice weekend today. Not too bad either.
Yeah, this is one of the days we should have joined George out on the deck because it's so beautiful, George.
I know Blake Hansen was in earlier today, and he came out and said, I'm going out to the weather deck. And not that he didn't want to continue the conversation about the eclipse, but he said, yeah, the day was just so beautiful he had to be outside today.
Yeah.
It is another beautiful evening here in West Michigan, and we're going to see more clouds and now some rain return to West Michigan. 13 weather ball for your Tuesday is blue, just some slightly cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And around the region, we've got a few clouds, just some high clouds here and there for Reginald. Kylie, I'm giving you the green paw for your evening walk, which will be delightful in the 60s, dropping into the 40s overnight. And for your morning walk, a green paw as well. Looking good there, Reginald. About as much sunshine tomorrow. The increase to our cloud cover will happen late tonight, and it'll be filtered sunshine during the day tomorrow. Winds will be up just a little bit, so we'll create a little bit of green energy here from the sun and the wind tomorrow, but lots of sunshine here today, almost perfectly blue skies. There are some cirrus clouds on the southwest horizon, but all of the cumulus clouds came and went up northeast, and we're not expecting anything other than some high clouds to move in a little bit later on tonight. But on Wednesday, we have a marginal risk, generally from Grand Rapids southward, for some stronger storms. These will actually occur Tuesday night into early Wednesday. Between now and then, we've got these high clouds rolling in later on tonight. Be filtered sunshine. Today, tomorrow will be virtually dry. Until tomorrow evening, just about everyone will see some showers and maybe some of those stronger storms. And then a second round coming through during the day on Wednesday. Everyone will see rain, at least from one of those two batches. And then that moves on out Wednesday night. We end up with a few clouds on Thursday morning, and then another retreating round of some rain behind that on Thursday afternoon. That will clear us out for the weekend. Plenty of sunshine, but kind of cool temperatures on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Instead of 70s, we'll see temperatures in the 50s, but dry weather all weekend long to continue our outdoor yard work. As far as rainfall, all of this will come overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. When I say all of it, most of it, about half to 3/4 of an inch of rain, and maybe a little bit more here on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. All told, about a little less than an inch across our area. So tonight, skies will start out clear. We'll see increasing clouds late tonight, upper 30s to near 40 northern part of the lakeshore zone, mid 40s further to the south. Mid 30s up north, 34 though in Big Rapids, 40 to 41 around Fremont and Greenville. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the comfortable, cool weather pattern into the low and mid 40s. 13 on your side forecast. 67 tomorrow, all the rain coming tomorrow night into Wednesday, and then that will end early on Wednesday morning. We'll have that risk for severe weather on Wednesday, and then we'll see another late night shower, I said Thursday night, but then a cool weekend, kind of breezy if not windy Friday and Saturday, but highs only around 50 plus. That's cooler than our average high of 58. We'll get back to that next week with just an afternoon and overnight shower next Tuesday, but highs back into the 60s with some sunshine.
Oh, with the beautiful skies, George, I have a feeling that tonight at 11 we're going to see some pretty sunset pictures.
Oh, yes, indeed. Just like the last several nights. Yes, it's a beautiful evening to be out here on the weather deck in mid-April, because you know the weather can be anything from warm and sunny like it was today, or cloudy, and yes, it's even snowed on April 15th. Not this year. Let's take a look at the 13 weather ball. It is blue, just a little bit cooler weather in view on your Tuesday.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Highs today managed to break into the 70s again. Not quite as warm as yesterday, but 72 in Grand Rapids, well above our average high of 58. Made 75 for the warm spot in Kalamazoo. We forecast 70 today. So on tax day, we have a check mark, and we'll extend that one-day streak, hopefully. A lot of active weather well to our east, where storms have been rumbling through northern Virginia. Those are staying away from us. Back to the west, couple of severe thunderstorm watches, so there is a potential for some stronger storms with that. That's what's going to bring us our rain tomorrow night into Wednesday. Some of those storms could be on the stronger side, but in the meantime, got a beautiful evening going on. We'll see some high clouds spread in late tonight and some filtered sunshine, at least to start our day tomorrow. Our hour-by-hour forecast from the European model shows those high clouds coming in, but again, you'll still see the moon shining brightly here tonight. Any showers are going to hold off until after sunset tomorrow for the most part, and then some showers, some stronger storms are certainly possible. There's also going to be a second round come through during the day on Wednesday. That's when we may see our better risk for a marginal risk for some severe weather, and in fact, by the end of the day, skies will have cleared on out. And then we're headed into a dry spell, at least for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. There are some showers that are expected to move in at the end of the day on Thursday. Not going to last until Friday morning, but that's going to set us up for a really nice weekend. We always like that dry weather on the weekend. Partly sunny skies on Friday, mostly sunny on Saturday, and we'll see plenty of sunshine again during the day on Sunday, although it's not going to be as warm as it was this past weekend, but we'll take that. Rainfall amounts, we're talking about very little between now and tomorrow evening. Most of it will come overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday. You can see about 2/3 of an inch to maybe up to an inch around Fremont and Big Rapids, and then that second round coming through on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night may put down another, maybe 1/10 of an inch or so. So the majority of the rain coming here Tuesday night through Wednesday. As far as our longer range outlook, we are going to see some milder temperatures as we head in toward the the end of next week. But tomorrow, temperatures not quite as warm as today. Nonetheless, upper 60s to around 70. You're going to see a windy east wind throughout most of the day. We'll see mostly cloudy skies up north, also not quite as windy at the lake shore, but still breezy enough. We're looking at highs around 63 along US 10, 66 in Fremont and Greenville. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, again, not quite as warm, but still above average, a mid and upper 60s to perhaps around 70. 13 on your side forecast. So 67 tomorrow, down from our 72 today, 67 on Wednesday. It'll be breezy into the morning with showers and thunderstorms. That's why we highlighted that with that marginal risk for Wednesday. Dry Thursday until late in the day, and overnight will drop to 59. Over the weekend, breezy if not windy, kind of coolish, around 50 to 56. And then next week, a little bit milder to start the week, maybe an afternoon shower Tuesday with highs in the mid 60s with some sunshine.